Exercise 8.4. I'll give the formula first, okay, before starting the exercise. Sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sine square equal to 1 minus cos square theta, and cos square theta equal to 1 minus sine square theta, and cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. Okay, again secant square minus tan square equal to 1. So secant square is 1 plus tan square, and tan square theta equal to secant square theta minus 1. Okay, so this is the first 9 formula. Again, sine theta equal to 1 by cosec theta, okay, and cosec theta equal to 1 by sine theta, and cos theta equal to 1 by sec theta, and sec theta equal to 1 by cos theta, and tan theta equal to 1 by cot, and cot theta is 1 by tan. Okay, and we have tan another formulas here. Tan theta formula is sine by cos, and cot is cos by sine. Okay, so this formula you should memorize before starting the exercise. Okay, so now you can see now. See the first question of the exercise. Question number 1. Express the trigonometric ratios sin A, sec A, tan A in terms of cot A. So sin A, sec A and tan A, we are going to change in terms of cot A, all going to change to cot. Okay, so the first one will take sine. Sine we can just make here sine square, then you put root. So root, if you cancel, will come same only, so you can just write like that. Again, sine square formula is, we can make it sine, we can make cosec square theta, so 1 by cosec square can make. Okay, so we'll just write here sine formula 1 by cosine, so you can just write 1 by cosec square. Okay, and root 1 is 1 only, just write it. And cosec square formula, cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So we'll just here A means we can just write here A. Okay, and secant A. Secant A means what we can write here, sec A. Here the root is 0. Okay, so here we just write the root here. Okay, because root 1 is 1 only, this is same one. Again sec A. Sec we can change to what we can write here. Sec is, we can just put here square here. Okay, secant square A we can write, and again secant we can change here. Secant square, the formula is 1 plus tan square A, is it? And we need actually cot needed, so we need to make it like that again. And tan formula is 1 by cot, so you can just write here 1 by 1 plus 1 by cot. Okay, and now I'll just write it here, root of, take LCM, cot square A, and we'll go here cot square A plus 1. Okay, so you can just write here root 1 plus cot square A, or same thing, by this square and root cancel, we'll just write here cot A, so it's no need to change. Okay, and the last one is tan. Tan we can just straightly, we can write 1 by cot, straightly you can write, no change. Okay, so that's over question number 1. Now question number 2, you can see here. Question number 2 is, write all the trigonometric ratios of angle A in terms of sec A. We are going to change to sec A, Okay, all the times, that means sine, cos, tan, everything, cosec, everything we are going to change to sec, all going to same in the. Okay, so first one, you see, first one is sine we'll take. So if we take sine, sine we can just make it square here, sine square. Okay, so sine square formula is, sine square formula we can write 1 by cosec. Is it 1 by cosec, we can write. Or we can, actually we are going to make sine, so sec we are going to make, I think again I'll just do it like, instead of sine, I'll just make it sine square is 1 minus cos square a. Okay, 1 minus cos square we can make, so 1 minus cos formula 1 by sec, we can just write it easy way. So if we take LCM here, secant square a, this one will go here, secant square a minus 1. Okay, so root of secant square a minus 1 will be same, by roots cancel, square cancel, so write only sec. Okay, and second one is cos. Cos means straightly we'll know easily 1 by sec, so nothing to change. Okay, that we can just keep it like that. And next one is tan. Tan a, tan a we can just put here, tan square a we can put. Okay, tan square the formula secant square a minus 1, is it? So that also we can write straightly. Now next one is cot. Okay, so next one is we'll take sine, cos, tan over, again we'll take cot. Cot formula is, we can just straightly, we can write cot formula is 1 by tan. Okay, so 1 by tan is what we got, tan is secant square a minus 1. Okay, tan is secant square a minus 1, we proved just now, we can just write it straightly. Okay, and again last one is cosec. Cosec formula is, we can just make it, cosec is 1 by sine a. Okay, and 1 by sine we just normally we got, before the first one we got 1 by roots. Okay, write root of secant square a minus 1 by sec a we got, so we take reciprocal, sec a by secant square a minus 1. Okay, so we can just straightly, we can write that one. So question number 2 over. Okay, next one, question number 3. So question number 3, the first one, sine square 63 plus sine square 27 divided by cos square 17 plus cos square 73. So sine square 63 can change, 90 minus how much is 63 is 27. Okay, and sine square 27 will write the same thing, no change, by cos square 17 can change, 90 minus 73, what is here, we can just write it, cos square 73. Okay, so sine 90 minus theta is cos theta, so you just write cos square 27, and this is no change, by cos 90 minus theta is sine theta plus cos square 73. Okay, so cos square theta plus sine square is formula I give you to the first one, cos square plus sine square is 1, again sine square plus cos square also 1, so 1 by 1 is 1. Okay, this is, we did the sine 90 minus theta one, we did in the exercise 8.3. we can see that page number 197, we can get this formula. Okay, sine 90 minus theta is cos a, cos 90 minus a is sine a, this formula. Okay, and the next question number 4, sorry, question number 3, second one. Question number 3, second one, sine 25 cos 65, again cos 25 sine 65. So sine 25 can change, 90 minus 65, again cos 65 will just keep it, Again cos 90 minus 65. Again sin 65. Sin 90 minus a, cos a. Again cos 90 minus a, sin a. So cos square 65, sin square 65. So answer is sin square plus cos is 1. Okay.